Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Now, Bluetooth might already be on your computer. The way you can check this is by going on the bottom taskbar here and then click on Show Hidden Icons. And if you see Bluetooth here already turned on, you'll see the icon right here. But if not, then you just have to go to the search bar here and then type in Settings, right? And then go to Settings. On Settings, you'll see there's a section called Bluetooth and Devices. Just go there. On Bluetooth and Devices, you'll see the option here. And you can see right now, Bluetooth is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just click on it like that. Now Bluetooth is turned off. If I want to turn it on again, I just click on this, turn on. Now everything is on like this, right? If you don't see this option right here, it might be because your Bluetooth device isn't recognized or your Bluetooth device is having troubles, right? If you like this video, please consider liking and also subscribing.